Thanks for the time giving to me. My complete name is Rofi Lisana. Title the Nugget in front of using the internet for students be named Rofi Lisana, class Sel IPS 4 Junior High School Regina Pacis Bejawa. Forever, praise me, nagrenti to the only God who has made it for me so that I can accomplish this. Since I attribute the title in junior high school Regina Pacis Bejawa, without the blessing and mercy of my God, my not be able to finish reading this science article. I realize this science article is still far from press. Therefore, I humbly ask for input either from of citizen and suggestion from all practice for fair Pressy of this Kirsch article. Finally, I'm sure if this still article there are still many mistakes and the HDF is still not stage for in the hearts of all. Hope this thesis article become answers to myself and I'll you. Astrats the internet at this time or today in question of computer networks around the world. They are often connected to on another, introducing to pray to in the East Internet School has been used before students. The internet can also penetrate the funds it brings influence on students and can also mark the limits of the science of life of students. However, in asking the internet to be students, it can have positive impressions that can have a negative impression with this internet can also they assume given by the teacher. Chapter 1 Introduction are the breakdown of internet problems and this time or today in a collection of computer network around the world. There are introduced with one other introduced to play in this internet. There has been widen used by various groups ranging from students to they is ranging from students to access the internet for various purposes, rent schools and working for explain interest of things, education, club, news, health, sports, the last games, social networks, cities, to my friends and the others. Therefore, today's the nights are now starts to eat with the time email, still browsing, networking box, websites, a song, this interest can also matters they can help impress students, can also measure the blushes of these mercies of life students. Assign answers time, y'all advising you are both in seconds from to you in source is 20 seconds from years to year in answer research the Indonesian internet in reverse day number of internet users today in this internet threads millions people crisis of day touches place of underscores some of their students have positive impressions of some have negative says with this explains is using a positive impression songs have the internet It by swaying down inside a looking of the tendencies also is an impress of those force explain students develops by flames and keeps playing games. However, best of their development they are at the junior his school of reading school levels stars befriending relations with one influence of distinct with its author the widers arise ores Stores Davis behind students getting here and says of reading the topic on one the author with men ability with stall the issuers the issues present negative as if students the love as interests the words internet in times do it came this thing I brings to areas addressing to glass his sites because of that rapid development the internet was copies by series with good for students as well for yours and students to glance in his site that because of that it can give good relatives there are also those that do not give out relatives the trans having a negative improtising and students aside those if just they not good through accessing introductions just morals because many the next axemen are used to do internet usage as price of us now there's a losses adalah a five negative improtising to students in society. Table of institutions for a word abstract keywords chapters 1 prediction rows 1 breakdowns 1 2 problem for tilting 1 3 purposes 1 4 styles species chapter 1 intervals 3 discount the negative impressing of states in the next for students chapter 4 closing of device chapter 2 the authorizing of the impellers of seeing the internet for students definition of internet student for everyone's want to know one students or choose the internet users. Chapter 3 the question of the impressing of the internet to the many trends makes acquaintances with students, but in this too, the internet can be used by students first applies to do examines using the internet. This can allow a have them and positive interest as well as the positive influence. This in matters as brain needed or course students who accept the internet as a negative influence for impacts it does used to which films they are not normally solved with students. We want with this game to say young students are still want to playing games the students really beings to have and have this impellers in their ends. The students was explain the cause things that not normally be the students. First explains doing assessment using the internet skills also have negative effects if placed by positive impress. In this case, have positive impress each made as prime needs for a lot of students. We ask the internet are giving impress for explain its student wants plans that knows Mary's B students was the cancels the students arose and 1 3 plays two games to start student stars or halves to blind students for a time rise these laws Bank students allows donate assignment, grievance, draws, lies, to science, to science. If you are distant to the internet source, so in this case, as students, demos as many materials after for students, as students can practice and brings division of life, they is a god in life for adults as students into the internet. I can also visualize both students and teachers when this internet is used by teacher, they can provide materials to students with current dolphins, internet states, closing international songs, doors, therefore, that are close to another because internet this can adolescents choice absolute lots Steen of experience of using the internet will source in negative implications con Howard this lies a game of thing before money's follow shots also it was looking for information must be will in using in the internet social media for explain students the internet log for greeting counters Sidov is from the province which cause and stunts the student moods as the internet provides offers to play a role in life balancing the resources to play a role if less the latter understands what is better use of internet introduced by to state internet properly with caution in the for students and also for the development of selfish if all countries understand and better students the access of internet for themselves and others they as these impress pupils students now they still be able to things between is the uses there's as positive internet as negative internet. Chapter 4 Closing the margins of internet these modern areas incest really helps for students or youth uses the internet by increasing out it is obvious or explains the core of achievement from school and help students to come with traces their friends can help with other information that expresses abroad and can be live with others be explains hours often to you many things using the internet of negative impressions Iris the used for internet the host is very much hoping the far of percentages is very oblong versus the person in the store be able to understand issue of this internet why the underas is always students found interest always teens students and input alphas are students to use this the internet purpose with positive of notes behind its implementers the first student mars can be those at the patrias averages in styles doggers but of this internet wise the first is my favorite hoping the roles fans Togger saw the first test for days that they can ask the internet's purposes, the Mars, the hires, erase the office, internet therefore is my very much hoping the roles of price, the cars difference imperating in turn, be all built on of days circumstance, the first the imponent hours, the for the students, the hires, the farmers, and canvas, out and printers, stuttering of these owls versus woodwarriors